Hey friends, this is Harsh.
And Arsh.
So we are here and we are today introducing a phone to you all guys, and this is OnePlus 6.
It's a successor to 5T and I hope it will be a good product. Let's unbox it, Harsh. Come on, do the
So
honors.
we see that it comes in a great package of Amazon, where they do write that please do not accept if tampered. So just to go through those cases where phones are actually tampered and there could be duplicate products, or maybe the products are missing. So just to tackle those, they have good packing. So here we have the OnePlus 6. It's an amazing phone. Like the box doesn't show anything, but yeah, it's great.
That's the simplicity of the OnePlus. It's a very simple box, but the contents
And,
are really a blast.
And we see that the new tagline is also here, that is the speed you need. So that's something magnificent we see here.
I think Samsung tried to mock OnePlus with that the device you need or the speed you need. I don't think so. Matlab that Samsung is mocking OnePlus, that means it's an achievement from OnePlus that Samsung is mocking OnePlus. So let's unbox this. The speed you need.
We'll just remove the high security film sheet. So here we go. So this is the OnePlus
Let's
6.
unbox it.
So here it comes,
And here it
and
is.
here it is. Oh my god, that's something great
It
coming up.
looks terrific. It looks beautiful. The notch design, I wouldn't have thought that notch would look so good, but it is good. The notch
Let's
is
pick
very
it up. Okay, so we got the phone now, and not sure how it is going to come. Okay, so now thanks Harsh for helping out. So now we have the OnePlus 6 in our hands,
I
and
think
it
we
looks
should
magnificent.